Hello there, everyone. You're tuning in to Mr. Black Armor's channel with me, Victor, your regular guide to exciting and budget-friendly ideas. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, you're in for a treat. Our channel is your one-stop shop for all things fun, unique, and easy on the wallet. Whether you're a couple seeking romantic adventures or a solo warrior on the quest for self-love, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in, shall we? First up, we have the classic picnic and stargazing. Imagine this, a homemade meal, the twinkling lights of the universe above, and your significant other by your side. Not only does this save you from the pricey restaurant bills, but it also adds a personal touch that no Michelin star chef can replicate. Plus, there are plenty of free stargazing apps to guide you through the constellations. Now that's a starry-eyed date without the hefty price tag. Next, we have the DIY spa day. Who needs expensive spa treatments when you can create your own tranquil oasis at home? With ingredients like cucumber, honey, and yogurt, you can pamper yourselves with natural, affordable treatments. It's a great way to relax, rejuvenate, and spend quality time together without burning a hole in your pocket. Our third idea is an adventure hike. South Africa is blessed with scenic trails that are either free or come with a minimal fee. Pack your lunch, lace up your boots, and get ready to discover the beauty of nature right in your backyard. It's a heart-pumping date that's both budget-friendly and breathtakingly beautiful. Now, if you're not up for a hike but still want to enjoy the beauty of the night sky, why not try home stargazing? Just download a stargazing app, cozy up in your bed, and enjoy a celestial show right from the comfort of your home. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Coming up next is the budget tour. Opt for local tour operators, visit during weekdays, and take advantage of group discounts to save on entrance fees. Don't forget to pack a picnic basket for additional savings. It's a fun and educational date that won't break the bank. Our sixth idea is a sunset picnic. Enjoy the beautiful sunset, gaze at the night sky, and revel in the views right from your homemade picnic site. And as the night deepens, it transforms into a romantic camping site. Next up, we have board game night. Purchase a few board games for a night of friendly competition and laughter. It's like having a date night, but with an added dose of fun and strategy. Our eighth idea encourages you to volunteer together. Giving back to the community not only strengthens your bond, but also makes a difference in other people's lives, all without costing you a dime. If you're a couple who loves learning, why not try a free museum day? Explore exhibitions together on free entry days, or take advantage of student or senior discounts. Remember to pack your lunch to save even more. Last but not least, we have park live music. Enjoy free outdoor concerts with a picnic basket in tow. Not only do you save on food and drinks, but you also get to enjoy live music under the sky. And that concludes our top 10 romantic, budget-friendly date ideas for couples. But don't worry, singles, we haven't forgotten about you. Now, for all you single folks out there, we have some special self-love ideas just for you. It's time to embrace being single and celebrate Valentine's Day in the most budget-friendly ways possible. Firstly, try a do-it-yourself spa day. Who said you need to spend a fortune to pamper yourself? With a few affordable items like cucumbers, honey, and yogurt, you can create your own facial treatments right at home. Soak in a warm bath, put on some soothing music, and let the relaxation begin. Not only are you saving money, but you're also investing in your own well-being. Next, consider taking a creative workshop. Learning a new skill like pottery, playing a musical instrument, or painting can be a fun and enriching experience. Look for introductory classes in your area or online. They are often reasonably priced and offer a great opportunity to meet new people and explore your artistic side. If you're passionate about a cause, why not spend the day volunteering? Giving back to the community not only feels good, but can also help you connect with like-minded individuals. Plus, it's completely free. Now that's what we call a win-win situation. Food lovers, this one's for you. Have a foodie adventure. Explore new cuisines with a local food tour, enroll in cooking classes, or visit a budget-friendly restaurant. You'll be surprised how much you can save by opting for a lunch special or sharing a meal with a friend. Lastly, plan a movie marathon at home. Pick your favorite movies or shows, make some popcorn, and get cozy. You can binge watch to your heart's content without the hefty price of a movie ticket and overpriced snacks. And there you have it, our top 5 self-love ideas on a budget. Remember, Valentine's Day is not just about romantic love, but also about self-love and appreciation. It's about celebrating you. And these budget-friendly activities are a wonderful way to do just that, while also being mindful of your personal finances. So go ahead, indulge in some self-love this Valentine's Day, and remember, you are worth it. Well, that wraps up our Valentine's Day special. We've journeyed together through a host of ideas to make your Valentine's Day in South Africa memorable, fun, and budget-friendly. From picnics and stargazing to DIY spa days, adventure hikes, and even volunteering together, we've shown that romance doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. We've also explored some self-love options for all the single folks out there. Remember, Valentine's Day is a celebration of love in all its forms, and that includes self-love. Don't miss out on the chance to pamper yourself, learn a new skill, or take a foodie adventure on a budget. Throughout all these ideas, we've underscored the importance of budgeting, saving, and personal finance. Whether you're planning a romantic date or a day of self-care, being mindful of your finances can help you enjoy Valentine's Day without worrying about your wallet. And let's not forget our board game nights, home stargazing sessions, or free museum days. These ideas, and many others we've discussed, prove that you can have an amazing Valentine's Day without splurging. It's all about choosing activities you enjoy, being creative, and making the most of what you have. So there you have it, folks, a Valentine's Day filled with love, fun, and financial savvy. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how much love you put into it. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions or questions related to money and/or business, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more from Mr. Black Armor, and remember, love doesn't have to break the bank.